The screen dress is a unique outfit that mixes fashion with technology. It was created by Dutch designer Anouk Wipprecht, who is famous for making bold and futuristic designs. The dress is 3D printed and has many tiny screens built into it. On these screens are small digital eyeballs that can move and blink. The dress uses a brain-computer interface to read the wearer's mental activity and emotions. Based on how the wearer feels, the eyeballs react. If the person is stressed or overwhelmed, the eyes move quickly and blink a lot. If the person is calm and focused, the eyes move slowly and smoothly. The Spider Bot is a small robot designed to move like a real spider. It uses 26 tiny motors that allow it to walk, turn, and make very realistic movements. Each leg has 3 motors, and 2 more are inside the body to control balance and motion. The robot is lightweight and made with high-quality 3D printed parts. It can be controlled wirelessly with a remote control. Besides walking and crawling, the Spider Bot can also perform fun robotic dance moves. It can move smoothly over uneven surfaces and change its walking style like a real insect. The Spider Bot is often used for robotics research, education, and advanced motion experiments. The Stretch is a flexible mobile robot made to unload boxes from trucks and containers in warehouses. It can handle many box sizes and lift packages weighing up to 50 pounds. Its compact, pallet-sized design lets it move easily in tight spaces and inside trailers. Using a powerful vacuum gripper and smart vision system, Stretch can find, pick up, and safely recover boxes that shift or fall during unloading. It can work day and night without getting tired, helping warehouses increase speed and productivity. Stretch reduces the risk of worker injuries by taking over heavy and repetitive tasks. It can be quickly set up in existing warehouses without major changes. The killer robots are weapons that can find and attack targets on their own, without a human giving the final command. This means they could use deadly force automatically. Fully independent killer robots do not officially exist yet, but some early versions already show where the technology is going. Examples include the Harpy drone, which can search for and destroy enemy radar systems, and armed robots used for border security. Newer drones can even identify and attack targets using facial recognition. The technology behind these systems is developing very fast, raising serious ethical and safety concerns. Killer robots could change warfare by reducing the need for human soldiers on the battlefield. However, they also raise serious ethical and legal questions about who is responsible if they make mistakes. There is a strong fear that these machines could be hacked or used by terrorists. Many scientists and world organizations are calling for strict laws or complete bans on such weapons, if not controlled properly. The Climb E is a futuristic self-driving mobility concept created by Italdesign in collaboration with Schindler and Politecnico di Torino. It imagines a new transport system where small autonomous pods connect directly with buildings, allowing people to move from door to door without using traditional elevators or stairs. Climb E can work both as a personal vehicle and as part of city infrastructure. It is designed to attach to buildings and move vertically or horizontally, making travel easier for everyone, including the elderly and people with disabilities. The concept uses smart technology, clean energy solutions, and a fully customizable interior that can be adapted for private use or shared transport. By combining vehicles with architecture, Climb E aims to change how cities work, making urban life more connected, flexible, and efficient. The Chevrolet FNR-XE Concept is a futuristic electric sedan that shows what the future of Chevrolet's electric cars could look like. It was unveiled in China and highlights General Motors' focus on innovation and clean energy. The car uses GM's advanced Ultium electric platform, which is designed to deliver strong performance, long range, and modern technology. With its sleek, stylish design and high-tech features, the FNR-XE has attracted attention around the world, even though it is mainly aimed at the Chinese market. While the official price has not been announced, its premium design suggests it would be a high-end electric vehicle. The FNR-XE concept also acts as a preview of future GM electric cars, helping pave the way for models like the GMC Hummer EV and Cadillac Lyriq. The figure's finger magnetic rings are creative magnetic toy rings that let you play, build, and design in fun new ways. The rings can attract or repel each other, so you can stack them, connect them, and form many different shapes and structures. Each ring is made of two parts, an inner ring and an outer ring. The inner ring contains magnets with alternating poles, while the outer ring has magnets arranged in the opposite direction. Because of this smart design, the rings either pull together or push apart depending on how you place them. They come in different colors and sizes, letting you mix and match to create eye-catching patterns. You can wear them on your fingers like normal rings or use them as building pieces to make unique 3D designs. The moon bikes are electric snow bikes created to change the way people enjoy winter adventures. They are designed to deliver smooth, silent, and eco-friendly riding on snow, making them a cleaner alternative to traditional snowmobiles. Moon bikes introduced the world's first fully electric snow bike, combining modern technology with sustainability. With prices starting around $7,988, these electric machines come with useful accessories that make carrying gear easy and practical. They offer a fun, quiet, and powerful ride, perfect for exploring snowy landscapes without fuel smell or engine noise. Financing options are also available, making it easier for riders to own their own moon bike. The Dubai Healthcare City, DHCC, is a leading medical and wellness hub where advanced technology meets high-quality, patient-focused care. Founded in 2002 as a specialized healthcare-free zone, DHCC has grown into a major ecosystem with over 168 medical facilities, including 10 hospitals and many specialist centers. DHCC offers services across medicine, wellness, education, and research, creating a complete and connected healthcare environment. Beyond hospitals and clinics, DHCC is also a modern lifestyle and business district with restaurants, shops, wellness centers, and consulting firms. The Renault CLA garbage truck is a futuristic, electric truck designed to make waste collection easier and eco-friendly. It runs on advanced batteries, producing zero emissions, making it good for cities. The truck can drive itself using AI and sensors, following the best routes to save energy and time. Robotic arms lift and empty trash bins automatically, reducing the need for people to do the work. It also has smart sensors that check how full bins are and share the info with city systems to avoid overflows. The CLA is quiet, efficient, and has a sleek modern design, combining technology and sustainability for urban waste management. The Future Fire Truck is a next-generation emergency vehicle designed to be faster, smarter, and more eco-friendly. It may use electric or hybrid engines to reduce pollution while still delivering powerful performance. Advanced features like self-driving support could help it move through traffic quickly and safely. Some models may even use drones and AI systems to scan fire scenes in real time and help firefighters make better decisions before they arrive. Future fire trucks could also use lightweight, heat-resistant materials to improve durability and fuel efficiency. Smart water and foam systems may automatically adjust pressure and usage based on the type of fire. Connected communication tech could link trucks directly with city traffic systems to clear routes instantly. Inside, digital control panels and AR displays may help firefighters operate equipment faster and safer. The Venturi wheel is a groundbreaking innovation for lunar exploration, specifically designed to handle the moon's harsh South Pole conditions. With a 930 mm diameter and 192 flexible cable spokes, it offers unmatched strength, flexibility, and durability. Its spring-equipped outer rim and adaptive tread allow smooth movement over rugged and uneven lunar terrain. The wheel can carry the Flex rover at speeds up to 20 km/h while maintaining stability on rocky surfaces. Engineered to withstand extreme temperature fluctuations and abrasive lunar dust, it ensures long-term reliability. NASA has selected it for rigorous testing, validating its performance in simulated lunar conditions. This technology enables heavier payloads, longer missions, and improved maneuverability for lunar rovers. The Venturi wheel represents a major step forward in space exploration, opening new possibilities for scientific research and future moon missions. The Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses combine classic sunglasses style with modern technology. They have a built-in display in the right lens that shows navigation, messages, and other visuals right in front of your eyes, even in bright sunlight. These glasses come with a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, open-ear speakers, and 6 microphones, letting you take high-quality photos and videos, make voice calls, and interact with AI. When paired with the Meta neural band, you can control what's on the screen with simple hand or finger gestures. No need to touch the glasses. Overall, these glasses blend fashion, convenience, and smart technology for everyday life. The Navi AI-3 robot is a next-generation humanoid machine built to work in real-world environments with movements and intelligence similar to a human. Developed by the Zhejiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, it combines strength, smooth mobility, and smart autonomous control. Navi AI-3 can walk, bend, squat, and move easily over uneven ground like slopes, gravel, and industrial floors. Its strong lower body helps it move faster while staying stable and well-balanced. This shows major progress in how humanoid robots can move naturally. The robot is designed for practical use, making it suitable for tasks such as security patrols, building inspections, and managing controlled public spaces. The Emo AB Pocket Pet is a small AI robot designed to be a friendly companion you can carry anywhere. It can recognize your face, understand your voice, and show emotions with its animated eyes. It reacts naturally to people and its surroundings, making interactions feel personal and fun. You can keep it on your desk or take it with you, and it can do simple tasks like reminders, alarms, and giving weather updates, all in a playful, animated way. When connected to the internet, it can chat with you using AI, making conversations more engaging. The Emo AB Pocket Pet is a new kind of AI companion that focuses on emotional connection, bringing a friendly, interactive. The Holiday Friday humanoid robot is an advanced industrial robot made by South Korea's Holiday Robotics. It is built for real-world use in factories, warehouses, and logistics centers. Instead of walking on 2 legs, Friday moves on a wheeled base, which makes it faster and more stable, with speeds of up to 4.3 miles per hour. The robot uses hot-swappable batteries, so it can run for long hours with very little downtime. It stands about 176 centimeters tall and has a highly flexible body with 63 degrees of movement. Its 2 dexterous hands are equipped with tactile sensors, allowing it to carefully handle delicate or oddly shaped objects. The Litter Robot 5 Pro is a smart, automatic litter box that makes pet care easier. It cleans itself after each use by separating waste and storing it in a sealed drawer, keeping your home cleaner and reducing odors. It operates quietly, so it won't disturb you or your pets. This model uses artificial intelligence to track litter box activity and can even recognize different cats in homes with multiple pets. Through a connected app, you can check your cat's activity and trends from anywhere. By combining automation, smart sensors, and AI, the Litter Robot 5 Pro makes caring for your cat simpler, cleaner, and more convenient. The Mona Luna rover is Europe's next-generation vehicle designed to explore the Moon. Built by Venturi Space for the European Space Agency and CNES, it is made to operate near the Moon's south pole. Its main job is to study dark, permanently shadowed areas where water ice and other valuable resources may exist. The rover weighs about 750 kilograms and can carry up to 1,000 kilograms of equipment. It runs on electric power using solar energy and can drive on its own with autonomous navigation. Mona Luna also has a robotic arm to handle tools, scientific instruments, and cargo. The Olight O'pen 3 is a modern, all-in-one pen designed for everyday use. It combines smooth writing with useful features like a bright light, a softer light for dim places, and a built-in laser for presentations or precise pointing. Its slim aluminum body is lightweight yet strong, making it easy to carry in pockets, notebooks, or bags. The pen is rechargeable, so you don't need to worry about disposable batteries. Whether you're taking notes, working in low light, or giving a presentation, the O'pen 3 is a compact, practical tool that adds extra functionality without extra bulk. The Crevo Curve 2 Pro is a smart robot vacuum and mop designed to make home cleaning easier. It has strong suction and a dual spinning mop, so it can clean both hard floors and carpets efficiently. Its slim design lets it reach under furniture, and smart navigation maps your rooms to clean in the best path. The robot can detect obstacles like cables, shoes, and toys, avoiding them as it cleans. It comes with an automatic docking station that empties dust, washes the mop, and dries it, reducing daily work. You can control it through an app, use voice assistants, and schedule cleaning times. Overall, the Curve 2 Pro is a smart, almost self-managing helper for your home.